Yo, hello everyone. I hope everyone is going on well and everyone is at a good trend of becoming a pro trader by learning on how to maximize trading confidence through the PinHop Institution. This is episode 2, and the content of this episode is to learn on how to install and use TradingView application. As I said there before, in order to become a pro trader, you need to integrate 3 applications, which are MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 applications, TradingView applications, and fundamental applications. TradingView application, this is where you analyze the market. You find opportunities of different pairs of the market. Then you decide to enter the market by buying or selling through the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 application in order to hit up and get your profits. Au tunasema unapata maokoto kule kwenye MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 application. So there are only few steps on how to get the MetaTrader 4, the TradingView application, and it is easy while using it. So don't get worried. PinHop is there for you, so as you can learn on how to maximize trading confidence. Thank you. So TradingView application, you can use it after downloading it, or you can use it directly through the website. When you need to use it directly through the website, you just need to go Google. You just need to go directly Google and search TradingView chart. But if you need to download it, you need to download it. You can either download it through the desktop. So if for those who are using MacBooks or Windows or PCs, you can download TradingView desktop. But for those who are using mobile app, you need to download TradingView mobile app. So for those who are using desktops, you just search TradingView download. Here you need to TradingView desktop application, and then you click this TradingView. For Windows, you click this download tab. For macOS, you click this download tab, and just for Linux, you click there. But for those who are using mobile apps, you just need to go to App Store and you search TradingView and you download. This is TradingView, and you download there. Mine is to update only. You download there, easy as that. Okay, let me go to if you just only use it directly through the website, you need to search TradingView chart. There it is, and you open your charts right here. So you can analyze the market directly through the Google Chrome or any other browser. So this is open. So this is where you can find your watch list, where you can see indices, Nasdaq, VIX, DXY. These are stocks: Apple, Tesla, Netflix. These are futures like commodities like gold, silver. And this is foreign exchange, which involves all the pairs like USD, GBP, USD, JPY, and these are crypto like BTC, BTC, USD, and Ethereum USD. But if U pair is not here, or U symbol is not here, you need to search. For instance, I can search GBP JPY. You search there. So for GBP USD, I can select the GBP USD. Then this is my, but if I want to put full screen, I can click there, or a shortcut, I can press Shift then F. That's a shortcut. Can't clear or change anything in my chart, so as it has a good appealing to myself, I will right click. And maybe remove indicators, but also I'll right click and go to settings. After going to settings, the symbols may be body. I want it to be, for instance, I put any color I want. This is for bullish and this is for bearish. Borders, this is for bullish, bearish, and wicks, this is for bullish or bearish. Let me not go further right there, but this is how I can clear off my chart. So this is, so yeah, in Canvas I can put watermark, like as you can see here, GBP USD is just behind it, behind my chart. I can do anything I want right there. Okay, let me set okay, but let me going further. Let me show you how to keep favorites, any tool which I use in trading, or any object which I use in trading, so as it can be easy for me to analyze the market without going several times finding it. It will just be there at the screen. Kwa nitakachofanya, nitaenda kwa mfano hapa, let me these cursors, nitachagua cursors ambazo nitatumia, nita favorites, nitabonyeza hapo kwenye add to favorites, so star, I cross, I'll add it. Then let me go to this which I'm using is arrow, I'm adding it. But also nikienda kwenye trend, hizi trend objects, trend line lazima nitumie extended line, ray lazima nitumie. Hii horizontal line lazima nitumie, horizontal ray lazima nitumie, and parallel channel lazima nitumie. Hizi zingine sio za muhimu sana, ila it depends upon your strategy. Ni kwa hii strategy yetu ya pin hop, hizo nyingine hazitumii. Nikienda hapa kwenye hizi forecasting and measurement tools, long position, short position lazima nitumie, and price range lazima nitumie. But also nikienda hapa geometric tools, nitatumia brush kwa ajili ya kufutia, nitatumia hii arrow, nitatumia rectangle, nitatumia rotated rectangle, nitatumia path, nitatumia circle, nitatumia only those. Lakini hapa nikienda kwenye text, nitatumia text sana, and hizo zingine not too much. But hii ni ruler, ni measure ambayo inatumika kupima pips, price inatoka hapa mpaka hapa, inatumia pips ngapi. So I can read there almost 430 something, almost 533 pips, price kutoka hapa mpaka hapa. But it's shortcut, unaweza kubonyeza shift then uka click hapo unapotaka mpaka hapa, so inasoma vile vile. So after putting every tool in my favorites, I've jumped to my chart so as I can show you on the shortcuts on how to use most of the tools here, so as it could be easier for you to analyze the market as a pro trader. So at this place, this is where you can see the pair, the name of the pair which you are analyzing right now when you have put your full screen. This is time frame. So time frame can be changed by writing maybe in your keyboard. Maybe if you want 1 hour, you can write there. when you want maybe 4 hours, you can put 4, then H. If you want 1 month, you can put 1, then M. But if you want maybe 30 minutes, you just write 30, then enter. It comes automatically. If you need 15, this is how 15, write 15, then enter. So this is how it is. So when you need to use the trend line, it is with a shortcut. You need to do the following. You need to press Alt for macOS, or for Windows, or Option for macOS. So you can press Option or Alt, then T. You create a beautiful trend line for yourself, like that's how I did. But if you want to do it, to make it as anyhow you need, you can press there, which is line 2 color. You can put any color you want, or you can press there, line 2 width, maybe this or this. But also you can press there any type of line you need, is a dashed or dotted or anything. But you can double click so as you can write text or style or coordinates you need to, exact coordinates where your line needs to be. Or if you need another tool which is easier, is when you draw a horizontal line, you press horizontal line, you press Alt again with H. A horizontal line comes and you can put any design you want, as how I explained there before. So if you need also to create a Fibonacci replacement, you press Option, then F, and you click maybe here until there. I will show you on how to use these Fibonacci retracements after continuing with the courses. Delete, if you need to delete, you just press it and press delete in the keyboard. Okay, delete. So if you need to draw a vertical line, you press Option and V. A vertical line comes as this way. And if you need to put array, it is easy. You press Option, then J. Your horizontal array comes right there. And if you need to reset your chart as normal, you press Option or Alt, then R. Your chart resets as how it was. So these are some few shortcuts that you can use, and don't forget to like this video and also comment and subscribe to PinHub, where you can learn on how to maximize trading confidence. Welcome everyone. Thank you.